So today we are going to start Unit A, that is one words for many words. One word for many words. What does it means? Like sometimes we want to say many things, like about a person who mend shoes. So a person who mend shoes, if we write like this, a person who mends shoes. It's a long sentence. Whenever we want to describe a cobbler, so we need to use all these words. But in this topic we will learn that instead of using all these long words, we can use a single word for that particular person. That can be cobbler. That can be cobbler. So cobbler is a person who mends shoes. Who mends shoes is known as cobbler. So in this way, we can use many other single words, many other one word for many words. This we called as one word substitution also. बहुत सारे words की place पे हमने सिर्फ एक single word use करा. See how many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of 5 words, we are using only the single word, that is cobbler. So in this way, many different words can also be there, like a person who sells flour. So a person who sells flour can be called as florist. A person who sells flour can be called as florist. One word substitution. Learning this one word substitution will help you in writing your composition, in writing your small paragraphs which we include in our composition. So this will make you easy. Whenever you want to describe a person who sells flour, so you can use this single word, florist. You will not write all these words. A person who sells flowers. आपको इतना बड़ा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. You do not need to write this all. You have to only write florist. So in this way, many other are like a person who treats patient. पेशेंट को जो ट्रीट करता है, पेशेंट को जो ट्रीट करता है, वी यूजुअली नो इट्स कॉल्ड डॉक्टर. On the basis, that is a normal thing, like always we describe one word for many words on the basis of a person whose work is being described here. Like doctor, patient treat करता है, florist sells flower, cobbler mends shoes, teacher teaches students. So in this way your one words are described. हम किसी भी person की daily working, daily routine को इसमें show करते हैं. Like doctor treats patient, florist sells flower, cobbler mends shoes. In this way. After along with this one word for many words, many other examples are like a person who sells vegetables is called grocer. A person who takes care of our gardens, takes care of our plant is called a gardener. So basically we talk about person, place, basic, what we talk about only these two things. Means person, कि कुछ persons ऐसे हैं जिनका ऐसा काम है जिनको हम अपने उनके काम की तरह से जानते हैं, सो हमने उनको लाइक एग्जांपल्स है हमारे cobbler, florist, doctor. Some places are also specified for the particular things, that is, for example, granary, you can say granary, you can say aquarium, you can say granary, aquarium, orchard. So granary is a place where we keep our grains. Aquarium is a place where fish are kept. Orchard is a place where all the fruit trees are grown. Means a garden where a place where fruit trees are grown. So we call it as orchard. So we basically deal with person and place. Person. These examples are here. That is a cobbler, a person who mends shoes, a person who sells florist, a person who treats patients, that is doctor. And for places we are here like granary, a place where grains are kept, aquarium, a place where fishes are kept, orchard, a place where fruit trees are grown. So this was our explanation of our unit A, and now we will follow up with our tier book exercises and our notebook. Thank you.